What if you can manifest anything? What if you can get anything in your life? What if I say anything is possible and the universe is just ready to give you that if you ask for it? What if I say that actually you can do this in seconds? I know what most of you will be thinking. Well, it cannot be so simple because manifestation is a big thing. But do you know that the universe do work in a very simple way? But we are programmed in complicated ways since our birth. That is the reason why we cannot accept when the process is easy and simple. Now see, nature is simple, life is simple, and if we adopt the simplicity, then we can really manifest anything in seconds. Today, I am sharing an unique model which is easy, simple, and has tremendous potential to make all your dreams come true. But there are a few hidden conditions too, which you have to take care of. And if you can, then I assure you that your life will not be the same in less than 3 days. You will feel energized, positive, and you will start feeling things are really changing in your life. I personally practice this daily, and I have suggested this to many of my clients, and the result, believe me, is just awesome. Now, coming to the point, what are those things which the energy expects us to give in return before it gives you anything? See, the universe works on a simple principle that one has to first give and then take. Here, what is required from your end, the first and the foremost thing is gratitude. You have to be thankful to the universe in your gesture and from inside. Feelings is the second most important thing, your emotions. While doing something with feelings is very important. You need to believe first and have faith in whatever you are doing. It cannot be casual, it cannot be half-hearted things. For the sake of doing or doing, it cannot be like that. You need to be fully aware of whatever you are doing. Remember, my friends, this is true, that faith can move mountains. Next comes clarity. Clarity of your vision and your thought. If it is not clear to you what exactly you want, then it is quite challenging to achieve in a confused state. Last but not the least is constantly doing the process, the exercises, without any expectation. And this should be supported by a strong belief system for what you are asking from the universe. If you can believe that it is already happening in your life, what you are asking for is already happening in your life and you are enjoying it, then you are 90% done. Now coming to this simple practice, which I have modified a bit over time so that anybody can do this with ease. This gentleman, Abraham Hicks, founded this unique technique of manifestation, which I like to share with some modification here and there. And he said that if you can concentrate your thought for 17 seconds on whatever you want, it starts manifesting for you. And if you do it for rather, I will say hold it for 1 minute 8 seconds, that means 4 sets of 17 seconds, then you have transmitted a strong signal, a strong vibration to the universe, and it is accepted. It is already in the process of doing. Whenever you are doing this, you have to ask in present. Not no ifs and buts, first I will receive, then I will say thank you. No, nothing like that. You have to ask things in present and visualize your dream as if it is happening in your life right now. I know many can do this, but still I will suggest that you make a personal notebook of this. Write your dream in such a way that it takes 17 seconds or more to complete the sentence. Write that 17-second sentence 4 times and repeat that thrice. First, when you get up from your bed, second, during the lunchtime, and third, when you are going for your night's sleep. You can also write it on a piece of paper and recite for 4 times in 3 sets, as I told earlier. Whatever you can do, that will be a real help for you. Now, here's an example how to write it. Remember, it should be specific and in present tense. Start with a thanksgiving process. Start with a thanksgiving. Now, you are writing to the universe. It should go like this: I thank you, you are being so considerate and kind to me. I thank you for all the wealth I am enjoying today, for all the comforts and financial securities you are pouring in my life. I thank you that you are making my dreams come true. So, if you write like this, it will be more than 17 seconds or approximately 17 seconds. And it can be anything regarding your health, relationship, career, business, or any dream you are dreaming today. My friends, always remember, your understanding is the most important thing. Information or experience without understanding is useless. And you have to take the responsibility of yourself, and then you can expect maturity of anything. I assure you again that if you do this practice every day, your life will not be the same. And I will love to help you with any queries regarding this topic. You can mail me or WhatsApp me if you feel. Again, feelings are important. Follow your inner moonlight. Don't hide your madness. Let there be light. Thank you.